Hi guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video is a comparison video. I'm going to be comparing two deep conditioners that are both Curly Girl approved. I know the last time I checked these ingredients on, I'm not sure if it was Curl's Scan or Curl's Bottom, it came up as being not Curly Girl approved, so just double check, but it is Curly Girl approved, so double check, but both are known to be Curly Girl approved deep conditioners. They're both promise moisture. So what is the perfect way to compare two Curly Girl approved moisture deep conditioners? And I'm holding them up, so I'm going to be comparing the I Am Hydration Elation and the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. But before we get into the application and the results, please subscribe to my channel and join the Curl Factory family. On this side of my hair, guys, I went in with the I Am Hydration Elation. This promises beautiful curls and coils. It also contains coconut. This is an intensive conditioner. It contains coconut, sugarcane, green tea, apple, lemon, some very, very good ingredients, and this smells very, very sweet. What I liked about this was the application. It just melts into your hair. The size is a big no for me. I really like this as a moisture deep conditioner. It does an amazing job. It melts into the hair. It aids detangling for me. I'm not coconut sensitive, which is perfect for me. Some people, if you are coconut sensitive, this might not be for you, but this is absolutely amazing for my type of hair. I absolutely love the application. So I'm not new to this either. I've used it before. On the other side, I went in with the Shea Moisture, Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask with African Rock Fig and Baoba Oil as well. Curly Girl approved. This one differs in terms of smell. The As I Am smells a lot better. And also in terms of consistency, this is a lot more pastier. I found myself adding more and more product when it comes to this. I've also been using this for years. I used this when it came out. I used it, so this is almost finished for me, but it's very pasty, but you know, I do like the results, and a lot of you guys like the results, but in terms of application and smell, I do prefer the As I Am. When it comes to size, I think there's an obvious winner. The As I Am, how much is this? It's 227 grams or 8 fluid ounces, and this is 12 fluid ounces or 340 grams. So more value for money with the Shea Moisture as compared to the As I Am. So let's go into the results. They both left my hair very, very soft, rinsed out really, really nicely. I do have it in my hair at the moment, but obviously I have a leave-in and styler on top. So in terms of adding moisture, they both do a good job. For me personally, just because of the application, I would prefer the As I Am based on application, because the Shea Moisture one for me is a little bit too thick and pasty, doesn't aid detangling, and I like to detangle during my deep conditioning stage. So that is why for me, I would prefer it. But in terms of results, they both do an excellent job. When it comes to results, I have no complaints. So that's it, guys. A nice comparison video of two moisture deep conditioners. I hope you enjoyed it. Please drop your comments down below on which one you've used or which one you like, and if you found this video helpful as well. As always, guys, thank you so much, and you'll see me again in another video. Bye.